These are sunflower seeds. Take good care of them.
I will make it grow fast, like magic. Drink up. Drink more to grow faster. Why isn't it growing yet? Hello? Little seed? Wake up! Still nothing? You are so stubborn! Master's seed sprouted. Why not mine? Maybe it's thirsty. Or maybe it's too hot? Silence! Is it dead? Let me check on you. Uh-huh. A root! Let me help you grow taller. Oops. Oh no! I broke it!
Haste makes waste, my child. Roots need time to go deep before they can go high.
It bloomed! It bloomed! It finally bloomed!
Waiting was hard, but the fruit is sweet, isn't it? Don't rush. Good things take time.
Subscribe to learn patience with Little Ann.